Welcome to CSEGURU. In this session, we will discuss the topic singly linked list insert operation. So what do you mean by singly linked list? The linked list will consist of only two parts. First one is the data part and the next node part. Pointer to the next node. That will store the address of the next node in the sequence. In singly linked list, it allows traversal of data in only one direction, that is forward direction only. You can able to traverse. Reverse traversal is not possible in singly linked list. And overall, the operations you can able to perform in singly linked list in the sense, you can able to create singly linked list. You can able to perform insert operation with four cases. Insert at the beginning, insert at the end as a last element, insert after the specific node, insert before the specific node. Okay, and traverse operation is nothing but visiting each and every node in the singly linked list exactly only once. Next, the search operation in the sense, here key element will be given. The key element will be compared with each and every element in the singly linked list starting from the first node. Whenever a match is found, search is successful, it will return. Otherwise, it will return search is unsuccessful. And the delete operations, if you are considering in the sense, delete at the beginning is possible, at last is possible, delete after is possible. So these are all the operations we can able to perform in singly linked list. Now in this session, we are going to discuss only insert operation with all these four cases. Inserting a new node in a linked list. Whenever it has specified as a linked list in the sense, you have to consider it as a singly linked list. Okay. So there are four cases in singly linked list. First case, the new node is inserted at the beginning as the first element in the linked list. Case 2 is new node is inserted at the end of the linked list. That is, as a last element you are going to insert. Case 3 is the new node is inserted after a given node. After a specific node, the new node will be inserted. Case 4 is new node is inserted before a given node. To the specific node, before that node, the new node should be inserted. So these are all the four cases in singly linked list insert operation. So first case is inserting a new node as a first node, that is in the beginning of the linked list. So here step 1, if a while is equal to null. So what is this a while in the sense? If you are going to insert a new node in the sense, so for that new node, memory should be allocated. So first you have to check whether that memory is available or not. Suppose if available is null in the sense, memory is not available, write overflow condition. So here whatever the memory is there, completely filled. Okay, there is no empty space for the new node to insert. So go to step 7 and exit if memory is not available. Step 2, suppose if memory is available in the sense, the new node, for the new node, you have to make the availability of memory and set a while is equal to a while of next. That is the next pointer also you have to set it. Okay. So step 1, 2 and 3. The first 3 steps is common for all the insert operation. Insert at the beginning, insert at the end, insert after a given node and before a given node. For all cases, this step up to step 3, it is a common steps. Okay. And step 4, for example, here I am considering this as a singly linked list with 4 nodes. Okay. And first any element you can able to store it here. I am storing 10, 20, 30, 40. And the first node, this will be called as start of the node. Okay. So this is the singly linked list already. Suppose if you want to insert a new element in the sense, for that new element, you have to create a memory, that is allocate a memory. So that availability only you are checking in the first 3 steps. Next, this will be considered as the new node. Now, new node of data, what is the value you want to insert, that you place it. Suppose if I am placing 15 here in the sense, the element you have to place it in the data part. And new node of next, this is the next pointer. New node of next, mark it as start. You have to mark it to start now. You have to connect to start now. Okay. And then start is equal to new node. Now start is pointing to node 10. After inserting this new node, now start you have to mark it as new node. So now this new element will be considered as the first element in the linked list. So this is insertion at the beginning. Okay. And then exit. Next, second case is inserting a new node at the end of the linked list. As a last element you need to insert. Suppose here you need to consider this as the singly linked list already. This is start, element 10, 20, 30, 40. This is null pointer. So this is the singly linked list already. So first three steps already it is common for, already I said it is common for all the insert operation. So if aval is equal to null, available memory space is null in the sense write overflow, go to step 10, okay, go to step 10 and then exit. If memory is not available in the sense, you cannot able to perform insert operation. Suppose if memory is available in the sense, for that new node you make the availability of memory. This is the new node. I want to insert 50, okay, and while of next pointer also you have to allocate memory space, okay. Now the logic will start from step 4, okay. Set new node of data is equal to value. I want to insert 50, so new node of data part I have placed value 50, and new node of next part mark it as null. This is the next part. Now you have to mark it as null because this is the last node you are going to insert. Last node in the singly linked list, always it will be marked by null pointer. The next pointer part it will be marked by null pointer, okay. Now PTR is equal to start. So start will be considered as PTR. Then repeat step 8 while PTR of next not equal to null. If it is not equal to null in the sense, you have to repeat this step. Check whether PTR of next not equal to null. Yes, PTR of next is pointing to element 20. It is not null. Next, what you have to do, set PTR is equal to PTR of next. Now mark this as PTR. In the next iteration of while loop, PTR of next not equal to null. Yes, condition is true. So set PTR as PTR of next. Now check PTR of next not equal to null. Yes, condition is true. Then set PTR is equal to PTR of next. Now PTR of next, this is the next pointer, not equal to null. Condition fails here. PTR of next equal to null now. Okay, then exit this while loop. So go to step 9. PTR of next mark it as new node. This is PTR of next. Now it is pointing to null. Now you have to mark to new node. PTR of next mark to new node. Okay, that's it. Already this you have marked as null here. New node of next already you have marked as null. Now PTR of next connect to new node. Now this will be considered as the last node in the singly linked list. So now you have inserted a new node at the end of the linked list. Next, case 3. Inserting a new node after a given node. You have to give a specific node. After that specific node, you want to insert the new node. Okay. So already this is the linked list, singly linked list with 4 elements. Okay. The last node will be marked as null. Elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is start. Step 1. Check the availability of memory. If it is null in the sense you cannot able to perform new insertion, write overflow, go to step 12 and exit. New insertion is not possible because memory is not available. Suppose if memory is available in the sense, what you have to do? New node is equal to avail. That is, you have to make availability for new node and for its next pointer also. This will be considered as new node. And step 4, set new node of data is equal to value. Suppose if I want to insert 50, so place 50 here, new node of data. Then set PTR is equal to start. Now I will mark PTR as the start as PTR, pre-PTR also PTR only. PTR is equal to start as PTR and PTR as pre-PTR. Okay. Then repeat step 8 and 9 while pre-PTR of data not equal to number. Suppose the new node I want to insert after 30 in the sense the number you have to consider it as 30. Okay, after this element I want to insert 50. Okay, now pre-PTR of data not equal to number. 10 not equal to 30. Set pre-PTR, PTR as pre-PTR and PTR is nothing but PTR of next. Next iteration, pre-PTR of data not equal to number, 10 not equal to 30 only. Okay, because pre-PTR is pointing here only now. Okay, 10 not equal to 30 in the sense, pre-PTR as PTR. PTR as pre-PTR. Okay, this is not pre-PTR now. PTR is equal to PTR of next. This is PTR. Okay. Now, in the next iteration of while loop, pre-PTR of data not equal to number. Pre-PTR of data is 20, number is 30, condition is true, not equal. Okay. Set PTR as pre-PTR. Now, PTR, you have to mark it as pre-PTR. Now, this is not pre-PTR. This is pre-PTR. And PTR is equal to PTR of next. PTR is PTR of next. This is PTR now in the next iteration. Now, check whether pre-PTR of data not equal to number. Now, pre-PTR of data is 30. Number is also 30. Both is matching. In that case, what you have to do? Exit from this while loop. Go to step 10. Pre-PTR of next. Now this is pre-PTR. Pre-PTR of next is this one. Point to new node. So this you change to new node. Pre-PTR of next you point to new node. And new node of next you point to PTR. This is new node of next. Point to PTR. Now this will break. Okay, this pre-PTR of next, that is 30, node 30 of next point to 50, 50 of next point to 40. Okay. Now we have inserted a node after 30. The new node after 30, insertion is done. That's it. This is inserting a new node after a given node in the linked list. Okay. Next, inserting a new node before a given node in the linked list. So here also you have to consider the singly linked list with some 4 elements. Any example you can able to take it. Okay, no problem. This is 10, this is 20, 30, 40. I want to insert before 30. So now number I will consider it as 30. I want to insert a new node before 30. So in between 20 and 30, new node should be inserted. Okay. So here algorithm. Step 1, available memory is null in the sense write overflow, go to step 12 and exit. Memory is not available to store the new node. Suppose if this condition is false in the sense memory is available, that is the meaning. New node, make the available memory space, new node, okay, and new avail is equal to avail of next pointer. That is, for the new node, for both data as well as the next pointer, you have to allocate memory. You have to allocate memory. Okay. Now, logic will start from step 4 only. Set new node of data is equal to value. I want to insert 50 here. This is new node. New node of data, I want to mark it as 50. I want to insert 50. Okay. Then set PTR is equal to start. So this is start. Now mark PTR as start. Okay. And pre-PTR also PTR only. So now the first node, if you are considering, it will be considered as the start. Now PTR is also 10, pre-PTR also 10. Okay. Step 7. Repeat steps 8 and 9 while PTR of data not equal to number. So number is 30. Okay. Check it. PTR of data is 10. Compare with the 30. Yes, condition is true. PTR of data not equal to number. Both is not matching. Set pre-PTR as PTR. This PTR as pre-PTR only. Already it is pre-PTR only. PTR as PTR of next. Now, in the second iteration, you have to consider 20 as the PTR. And the next iteration of while loop, check PTR of data not equal to number. 20 is not equal to 30. Condition is true. Set PTR as pre-PTR. Pre-PTR is now this one. PTR is equal to PTR of next. This is PTR. And the next iteration, PTR of data not equal to number. PTR of data is 30. Number is also 30. Both is equal. Condition fails. So, while loop will terminate here. Go to step 10. Pre-PTR of next is equal to new node. Pre-PTR is this one, 20. Pre-PTR of next is this one, is pointing to new node. Okay, this connection you change it. Pre-PTR of next, mark it as new node. And new node of next, mark it as PTR. This is PTR now. This is new node of next, mark it as PTR now. Now, in between 20 and 30, 50 is inserted. Pre-PTR of next 20, element 20 of next, mark it as new node. New node of next, mark it as PTR. just this connection, direct connection you are breaking. In between, this pointer only you are changing. Okay. Now, this new node will be inserted before the given number. Before the node 30, this new node is inserted. Okay. So, this is inserting a new node before a given node. Okay. So, we have discussed inserting a new node at the beginning in a singly linked list, at the end after a given node, before a given node in singly linked list. So, these are all the insert operation, different cases in singly linked list you can able to implement. Thank you for watching this video.